Hmm. Yo, yo. Yo, yo, good morning. Good morning. Alright. Nice. Huh. Didn't do much all night. Okay. Alright. Oh, let's get you guys in here. Let's mark out some zones. Okay. 3 hour. To 4 hour here. Let's see. Okay, it's pretty good strong down candle. Let's see what about the 3 hour. No, the 4 hours. 4 hours looks like a pepper zone. Okay. Anything on the downside here? No, just got that gap right here, and also there's imbalance. Let's see. It could be an okay 2 hour right here. Just mark it out for now. See if we find a better zone later on. 2 hour. Get rid of this one and this one. Get rid of that and that. Get rid of that. Okay, that 4 hour is still valid. Let's see, is there anything on a 2 hour over here? I don't think so. I think this 4 hours the only thing that's valid at the moment. Oh, there's a 2 hour right here. There's two. Still like the 4 hour better, yep. Okay, let's go into 1 hour. 1 hour price. 1 hour right here. That could be, but overall, two zones overlapping. All right, let's see. Yeah, there's a couple of zones overlapping each other, so. Yep, 45 minute right here. Anything over here in the 45 minute? Something small. That 2 hours still really good though. 30 minute, nothing there. 15. Maybe this one right here. Oof. Okay, so we're stuck between a 4 hour and a 2 hour zone. This is a range 788 to that's a mistake. 788 to 21. Okay. So about 220 point range. Well, a little more than that. Breaking below. All right, let's see. Yep, it's 9:30. Make sure everything's good here. Yep. All right. Let's see. And more of them. Okay. Weird. Let's trade Apex today. Trying to get some of this. Took a little L last night. Oh damn. Broke down real quick here. What were we looking at? 7. Test one here. Okay. 5 minute. Broke overweight.
You doing anything right now?
Yo yo.
It was good, bro.
Not much. You alright?
We're at all time high right now, bro. Oh, we were. Yeah, we are right now. What the fuck? That's it.
Are we?
Usually bro, we're at 20,100, bro. 21, or 21,000. Oh, shit, we have still another 1,000 points to go off.
I
I mean, 100 points.
I thought so. I wasn't too sure, but yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think we're at all time high value.
We're
For like the
almost
past 2 months,
there.
we're at all time high.
We're
Yeah.
almost there.
I was waiting
Let's
for like a retracement, and
see.
I was maybe thinking about going longs to
Yeah,
see, but I wasn't sure.
we're
Just because of that gap.
we're
There's
about
that gap,
fourteen
and I was
hundred,
like,
bro. 1400
1,400 points
points.
away.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so we could probably catch a nice long shot that shit. Hop in
That's wrong.
with like
Yeah.
one, get in with one mini, or we can make a little risk.
I'm trying to see what we got. Right now it's
It's just
going into
scary because
4 hour
we're
zone,
close to
so
all time high.
right now we're getting into a 4 hour zone. So like it needs to break above like 21,084, 85 for me to like try to get in along. Because it could just reverse back down. We'll see what happens. Still
Yeah,
waiting for that 15 minute as well. First 15 minute candle to see what way it would like to go. You
yeah.
guys catch anything overnight?
Nah, dude, we actually hopped off super early last night. We got off like at 9.
Oh, that's cool. Unusual. You guys usually stay up mad late. Okay. Oh boy. What's going on with everybody, man? Everyone's late. Everyone is late today.
Yeah, I know, but and then
Uh,
Ryan's not gonna trade today because he maxed out his account last night.
nice. Well, that's a good problem to have.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Who?
yeah, it was good, bro.
What's up,
Was it
Hoops?
Jared? Good, bro.
Hey, Jared.
Was good, brother.
Yo, we taking some trades
Bro, I'm
today or
f-
what?
oh hell yeah, bro. I'm feeling it today. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
Ah, let's
You
Full
know it.
feelings.
go. Let's
Full
go.
port? Yeah, dream about full porting too, or what?
A
Oh
little bit,
my
just a little
God.
bit, just a tad bit.
What a mess.
Those
Dreams
dreams,
of
they're
full port.
different, bro.
Had dreams about full porting. Oh man. A
Those are
mess.
the best ones. Those are full port.
Well,
That's
you
that
had it
short
one
comp
time.
plan. Bro, the fact that I had that shit and then literally goes in the direction we said it was gonna
Yeah,
go, that's just unreal. That
that
shit
was
was
insane.
unreal.
That
It
was
was just a
insane.
coincidence.
Sure, but still, man, for it to happen the day that you were thinking about it on, that's insane.
God bless, bro. That was the gym sesh. Thank you, bro.
64. Yeah, 5 minute close green. What are you guys trading? Gold or Nasdaq?
I'm gonna probably more than likely trade NQ today.
Okay, yeah,
Um,
I'm in
it depends
Nasdaq
though.
now.
I'm still out and about. I haven't sat down at my office, so we'll see right now. My workstation.
God, I'm beat. These longs look good though. Yeah, still on that zone though. So let's see what happens.
Ooh, that 4 hour candle.
Yeah, where it does look kind of bullish, that's what I was saying. Like it just needs a little retracement, but
Again, it's going into a
it's
4 hour zone, so that's what I'm a little more worried about right now. Like for me to take a trade and whatnot. I'll show you guys that screen
kind
if
of
it's easier.
you're trying to like saying we're in
I
range right
know
now, essentially.
exactly what you're seeing right now, fool.
Not really in range. I
Here, let me
mean,
look at it.
there's definitely two zones that's in between. It's in between a 2 hour and a 4 hour zone. So you look my screen, there's a 2 hour zone down here from 787 down to 690. And now there's a 4 hour zone on the top from 21,010 to 21,167. And right now is about to hit the middle of that zone. So a lot of times it rejects off the middle. I mean, it could reject anywhere in the zone coming back down. So I mean, you know, like for me to like take a really good long, I would like for it to pretty much break out of the zone, come back and retest it, and then continue to the upside. You know,
Hold up.
that's what I would like to see. Also, that's what's it called before the 15-minute orb as well. Maybe we get lucky and the orb tells us it's gonna go up anyways. Gosh, I'm tired today. Damn it.
Come on, man, do some jumping jacks. That's
Jumping
fine.
jacks. I
Now
gotta
do
dream
some
after this,
motherfucking.
man. Let me do some push-ups. Let me do some push-ups.
Hey, let's get some. Get that bitch in. Get that bitch in. Come on. Woo,
Let me do some
fuck, bro. That
push-ups.
shit killed. I warmed up today with like 100 reps of just like 40 pounds. That shit killed. And then I was just, it was a
That
little bit spicy.
big beast stuff. Big beast.
Smoky burger.
Okay,
Smoky burger?
so
That sounds kind of fire.
NQ reached his previous high. EF hasn't done that yet though. It's off by 10, so there's an SMT there. So we gotta be careful with that too. We don't know which one of the two is leading, right? So if NAS is leading, then ES will follow. If ES is leading, then NQ may start looking to drop a bit. Oh boy, I feel like a Red Bull type of day.
Hey, little Red Bull mixed with a little bit of vodka, get the people going.
Oof, that's my drink. That's my drink right
That's for breakfast.
there. For
For
breakfast,
breakfast, homie.
that's pre-workout.
That's that pre-workout, homie.
That's
Let's
that
go.
pre-workout.
A little bit of liquid confidence, a little bit of, you know what
Yeah,
I'm
exactly. Go with
saying?
two.
See.
All right, this 5 minutes is looking good too. It's just a zone. I don't know. 8-9, 8-9 to 165. Everything is showing like it just wants to keep pumping. It's just I don't know. I'm trying to trust my zones. Either look for
I mean,
rejection or look
if we're
for.
seeing that it's just pumping, bro, it might just be one of those days for us not to trade, dog. Or, yeah, or one of those like one micro type of days.
Right, and just hold it for all day. I mean, think about it. You get 20.
Yeah,
Let's
bro.
let's say if it goes out to all time high today for some reason, that's
That's a
4,000
stupid amount of points.
ticks. Yeah, 1,000 points, 4,000 ticks.
The fool
You
could
know,
run
because
into a daily FEG right now.
there's two sides to the coin, you know what I'm saying? As long as we get like,
Yeah, you said it's hitting a daily FVG.
Yeah, it's running into one right now if you check it. For
Okay,
NQ. It's like a
okay,
past like
right. Which I again the FVGs and zone and stuff like that. It's pretty much the same. Some of it like they're off by a little bit, but other than that, I always see it like matching with what I'm doing. So we're going on my end. We're going into a zone as well.
we be saying the same thing.
Same thing, but just, everything is called differently, but it's the same thing.
hmm
All right, so slow down a little bit here, which sucks because it's still in that damn zone. Forex Factory. Let's see. Anything good today? Oh, what? Is that right? Yeah, May 13th. Yeah, core CPI. Oh, that's weird. Core CPI month over month, and CPI year over year all came in less than expected. Huh. Previous -1%, forecast 3% positive. It came in 2%. Okay, previous 1%, 0.1%, now 0.2%. Previous for, yeah, okay. Previous for CPI year over year is 2.4, forecast 2.4, it came out 2.3. Okay, so I mean, it's not too bad, but still doesn't seem like a amazing report, truthfully. 21,087, 21,69. That's too many points, yeah. I want to take a short just based off this freaking zone, but the stop loss would be huge.
Hmm. What's good, guys?
60 minus 87,
What's up, fool?
73 times 4, 200. That's a lot. Yeah, short looks nice here, but
I'm waiting for the short gang. The shorts on Nas on NQ.
well, based on my zone, like I would want to take a zone, a short here, but the stop loss is like almost 300 ticks. It's just too big of a stop loss for me to even get in on it. But I
Yes.
think this is going to be a
Yeah,
good
that's
short
big.
here. Yeah,
Yeah.
the zone is just too big. I mean, it is a 4 hour zone, so, and I didn't find anything smaller. Like I didn't find a small, like, 30-minute or whatever, which usually zones are a little bit smaller. But yeah, you see it like it rejected right off the
Yo,
middle of
what's
that
good,
zone.
Alex?
Yo, what's good, Axel? How you doing, bro?
Chilling, bro, chilling. Good, good, good. I'm
Yes,
like halfway
sir.
through my account trying to pass that bitch.
Hell yeah. Bro, I'm so
But,
close, bro.
oh, me too, dog. This shit had me sick.
I'm like
It's,
500 away, bro. Fucking bullshit.
uh, bro, last night I was up like $600 in profit, but I didn't close out the fucking trade, bro. I ended up closing out with $10 in profit. I was like,
Oh, fuck.
that shit had me so mad, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh, man. Yeah, I would have
I
got
was like,
pissed,
bro,
bro. How much are you left to go, bro? Like, how much you need
like
left?
I'm at 51.3 right now, bro. So like I'm
Oh,
like hella
shit.
close.
A good 1,500 today, gang, will get you,
That's what I'm
like,
saying, bro. That's what I'm saying.
damn, bro. Yeah, just be patient, gang. We're gonna hit that shit, but we
Oh
gotta be
God,
patient.
oh God. It's just getting out of our heads, bro. It's just fucking just taking those punches, bobbing, weaving, stick to tipping, and get
Yeah.
back into the trades type shit.
Yep. Oh, shit,
21,080.
Right, but
Jason.
right now I'm at the store. I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to find the best fucking cut of meat right now, bro.
Oh shit.
Low key, bro.
Oh
They don't
shit.
got like too many options today.
47.
And it's got fucking tri-tip,
But
like
I had like
tri-tip sticks. Mm,
mhm. I had T-bone
what is it?
yesterday, bro. That shit was
Ooh,
Eight.
that's
Yeah,
gas. That's gas.
yeah, she was
not
fucking
bad.
great, bro. I just had like some white rice, bro, some broccoli, and that's it. Just call it a
Oh,
day,
big
bro.
bus, big bus. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I just don't
I just
like how
need
much fat these
500
cuts
more.
have. The fuck?
Oh yeah. Mm.
Alright, 15 minute looks like it's gonna close green, but still under that middle of the zone. Oh,
I think
yoy.
what
Now
is
we're
it?
talking.
5 more
Now we are
minutes
talking.
or 5 more seconds. We're gonna we're gonna have a new 15-minute candle right now.
5 more seconds, buddy. Do not fucking worry.
21,080. So 21,080 is the top of the orb.
No way, it goes down off that.
So let's see if it
Wait, where's the
breaks
org,
that.
guys? Is it all the way at the bottom?
The orb
It's the
is, I
top
think,
and
it's
the
on the
bottom
first
of the
market
15
candle.
minute.
Yeah.
Wait, did I mark that shit wrong? I think I did. Wait,
20,972.
no shot.
Oh, wait.
Where's
I
the
have a
50% at? It's like 2972, right? Around the area?
alright. I have two micros for a buy limit at 21,081. If it decides to break the orb, like break that range and keep going, I
Yeah.
still I still like the shorts just because of the zone and like that rejection area in the middle.
Hmm.
So but we'll see.
Yeah. I was
Again,
anticipating shorts, bro, but I don't
the
know.
the what's it called? Oh, thanks. Like I said, the stop is just too big.
Yeah.
I already took my time. You could have stepped in more. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, you came back from a test. What the hell? All
Oh shit, it's just popping
right.
right now. What the fuck? Or not? What the hell? Once this 15-minute closes, it's gonna form a fucking
No, I do not.
FVG, bro. I'm gonna just
For
go
myself?
for shorts right there. I think.
For myself? No, I don't have
AEW.
the. I don't have the big one. That's fine. I have another one here though.
Bro, I'm like fiending to pass this shit already, gang. Like, I'm only 5 away. I could have passed it yesterday,
Calmao,
bro. On
calmao.
gold. Yesterday on gold, I was on a practice, bro, and my mono played out. I would have made like I think I made like 700. I would have been done if it was on my combine.
Yeah.
Okay,
And then we
you at
caught another
22.5
short.
right now
Remember?
or what?
Then we caught
52.5?
another short on gold.
Yeah, I'm 52.5 right now.
That's fire as fuck.
Well, I'm 52.551. So I need like what 450? Yeah, 450. Okay, go full deep, bro. Like 20 contracts. Just get this shit already. No,
Hey,
no, I'll
demon
fucking
mode?
lose it.
Yeah, I'm either making this count or I'm breaking this bitch today.
Oh God. That's the way you see it.
Nah, I'm just saying.
Jerry's
Lucky, I might not
Jerry's
even
trading
get it
today.
today.
Jerry said he's
Oh yeah,
trading,
cool.
so we're waiting for that call out, bro.
We're waiting for your call out, Jay.
Oh nah. For the blow accounts.
Oh.
Everybody.
Everybody accounts flowing.
Hey, don't copy me.
Yeah, thanks for the liquidity, buddy.
Then I'm gonna go incognito. Never hear from me again.
Bro, type shit.
Damn, this shit is consolidating
It'd be
now. What
like
the
that.
fuck?
It's just chilling,
Everyone
fool.
takes
Whole
that long.
time.
Just
Oh
holding
shit.
its nut right now.
21,
There you go.
21:42. God, the stops. What's the
I
last
think around
stop
like
loss?
I think
Crazy.
when is it, bro? This shit's so cooked.
ES still hasn't reached its previous high, but if ES
No?
starts pumping past that, this goes. It's off by, well, it got to 80. It's off by like 7 points on ES. So we just need that
What?
to catch up.
You think once it hits ES that point, it will probably drop to the downside?
No, I'm hoping. Well, okay. So if we want longs, it needs to like NQ needs to break off the zone, right? Like through the middle. But ES is holding it down. I don't know if you can see my screen. This is the previous high
Oh,
that ES had, right? This is the previous high that NQ had, right? So NQ
and then
already, pretty much swept
broke
those
that.
highs. ES hasn't. So
Right.
now, if ES is a leading indicator for today, then this going down will bring NQ down as well, especially because ES is not, hit its previous high.
Right.
Now, if usually they're on par, so now we wait and see what happens. Like ES can come down. If it does come down, then this will come down as well. If ES starts pumping up and breaks its previous high, then we'll start seeing this pump even more. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So we wait. So we wait. It did break a trend on the upside on the what's it called going up though. I think the trend was at 21.071, but still it's not moving that well. I do have a stop buy, right? Or limit order, whatever it is. Yeah, on 21.018, 21.081. Sorry.
Stop filled.
Okay, there you go. Just
Oh,
filled.
yeah.
So let's see if we can break that range. All right, ES is pumping, so that's good. The only problem I see here is NQ hitting the middle of that range of that zone. Yeah, it's that freaking zone. stop loss at 21,041. That's a huge stop loss.
Yeah, good. Good morning. Yes, please.
mm. ES wants to keep pushing up. Yep, there it goes. ES is starting to push up now. Come on.
What's this?
20, 50, 85. We're off by 2 points on ES. If ES can just break off of that, like this will continue going up. And Q finally broke the halfway point of that zone.
Yeah, let me take this. Can you throw it away, please? No, thank you. Gracias.
Come on. I'm in 2 micros. I'm
Yeah,
break
then
even
I'm
because
going shorts or what?
I was negative like $50. So now I'm break even.
I think.
Are you going longs or shorts?
I'm in longs right now. I'm in longs.
What's up,
Oh.
Pete?
I entered one of the longs. I made like the $200 I lost.
Nice.
But now I don't know if I. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop now. I got an account just today, bro.
Oh, yeah, bro. Fuck it.
Well,
I'm gonna just
with
like try to.
these two
I'm gonna try
contracts
to
are
like
about to
slowly
hit.
pass.
These 2 contracts are about to hit $100. I'm gonna sell one to cover my loss because I was at a $50 loss, and then I'll be up
Oh shit.
$50. It still is like it's lagging there, so we'll see. But right now I'm kind of like break even for the day. On the one
I'm
account
trying
on my
to.
Apex account.
I'm trying to get this little short, real quick, like just
Short.
100. Cause I think it's gonna like go down a bit and then it's gonna push back up. So I'm just gonna try to get that.
Well,
I'm in with
I'm
Gio.
waiting on ES. Like ES still like struggling to break that 885. Man, if it breaks 885, this is gone. And like
Yeah.
that's what I'm waiting for. And like that push is gonna be strong, yeah, because ES been held down for a bit, and ES is going right now 84. Still can't break 85. Okay, I may or may not get out of a contract here just to make sure that
Yeah,
my
I might
loss is
get
not
out
that
of
bad.
mine. I'm hedging it.
Okay, hold up. ES is trying to break.
Damn.
Come on.
Hey guys, how you doing?
There you go, bro.
Good,
Oh, he
good.
wants to break it.
Come on, ES. It's
That's why
ES
I'm
holding us
losing
down.
some
Okay, so
money.
ES is the leading indicator for today because NQ can't even break above. ES still holding it down. Damn. Okay. Let's see. 5 minutes about to close in a minute, but I don't know. Damn, that completely came back.
My shit.
I'm still holding.
Now I can
My
push
entry's
back
at
up if you want
82,
to.
so
Bro, my shit went exactly there and then it went back up a bit.
Mine's at 79.
nice. That's a good entry. That's a very good entry. Again, ES is the only thing holding us down. If ES breaks that 85, this is gonna be a good push up. Like because of how much how is being held down. Like there's a lot of seller pressure there. So if the buyers can break through, the seller's gonna have to flip. But it's holding us down. 109. 109 was the high thing. Damn. Again, I was negative $50 on this Apex account for a day. I just wanted to go even, and I'm up like $20 now. But I don't know. I don't want to sell just to recover the $50 I lost. I actually want to hold it because I feel like it's gonna go.
Yeah.
Here you go. Starts going a little bit. Again, once it hits like $100, I'll sell one contract because I'm in 2 micros, and then that one micro completely covers my loss, my $50 loss, which is already hitting right now is $110. Well, I don't like this at all, dude. NQ is still going. If he guys just keep pushing, which is not, like this would be such a good trade, but it's not. Yeah, it's bringing it back down. Come on, yes. All right, the 5 minute on NQ closed green. So that was a really good close. Come on, ES. Pump, you bastard. All right, there you go. ES is pumping finally. There you go. You could break out of the zone too at 167. Damn. ES reached 885 like point 0.5, point 0.50 point 0.50 away from his previous high, and it started coming back down.
Did it touch yet? What?
Yeah, it
The
touched it.
fuck?
I
Yeah,
don't know
that
if you see
sucks.
my
They went out of
screen.
service hella fast.
If you see my screen, it hit it like barely by point 0.50, and then it started pushing back down.
Nah, it's gonna go up for sure.
Yeah, if he has breaks,
Trust the
I'm not
process.
even stressed. Yeah, if he has breaks, there you go, 85, 875. It just broke his previous high. Come on. No, but it didn't break hard down.
Yeah.
Come on, dude.
I'll be
That's
back.
whack.
Up.
There we go.
There you go.
There we go.
Damn, who got into longs?
I entered like late though, but like
Okay.
it should
Jared, did you
push.
get in?
For
Bro,
longs?
these longs were the move.
Jared, you got in or no?
For the longs? Nah. I was
I
journaling,
told
bro.
you all
I
y'all
wasn't even
motherfuckers,
looking at
man.
the
I told
screen.
you. I told you.
You
I wasn't
told
looking at the
who?
screen.
Did you get in?
Bro, what did I say? What did I say? I said all time high. We finna
Did
keep
you get
pushing,
in?
bro. I'm driving right now, bro.
Bro, I gave the call out. You know what I'm saying? I gave the call out. I gave the entry.
I'm way away driving.
Bro,
I'm over here
Gio gave
journaling,
a
bro. And
call
you're
out.
here getting
No
call outs.
lies.
Ella missed out on it.
It's all right,
Y'all
Jared.
niggas,
I
y'all
forgive
missed
you, bro.
out. Nah, I had said I wasn't gonna trade earlier because I was like, I'm probably gonna miss the trade because I was at the store.
No,
Remember, I
I
was like,
know
I'm trying
you.
to
I'm
get the
talking
best
about
meat.
Jared though. He said he was trading today, bro.
Come on, buddy. What the fuck?
Jared,
Come on, buddy.
I
What
gave
are
you
you
the
doing,
entry and
buddy?
everything.
Buddy, what are you?
Tell him, please.
Buddy,
Tell him,
he
please.
gave you. Buddy, he gave you entry and you don't enter. Buddy, what are you doing, buddy?
What the
Where is
fuck?
buddy? Enter, bro.
Oh man, it's all
Brody,
good.
what
It's
the
all
fuck?
good.
Buddy, what
All
the fuck,
I
buddy?
right.
just risked that
This
one
trade is up
trade.
at this trade is 200 with my $50 loss, so I'm trying to sell at 200. So then that way I'll be up $50 in profit, and then I can hold the one contract longer if it does go to all time highs, which is 1,000 ticks away. It'll be very like it'll be a good trade, but I don't know if it's gonna go that high. 82. Come on. I just wanted to hit at least $200 and I can sell one contract and then finish the day at $50
Not gonna
if
lie,
anything.
holding is a move right now. Just hold it.
132. Yeah, I think so. I mean, even if a retest, if it comes down to like
I'm up.
21,093, I might even get even in more.
Yeah, I'm up
Damn.
like
I
$100,
just
but
got out of my.
Like this is the thing that sometimes gets me like with the whole trading micros and minis. Like this is just me like I've been practicing my strategy and like keep on trying to be consistent, which is what I'm trying to do, be consistent. That's why I trade on micros. But every time I see like a move that I get in like that and I'm like, oh man, if I would have been on a mini, I would have been like $1,700 up right now, you know?
Bro,
yeah.
Yeah,
with these
I'll get there.
moves, I think, yeah,
It's that mental thing, man.
they're
It's like
worth it
it's
because,
mentally like
yeah.
I'm trying to battle those because like back in the day, the same thing. I feel like okay, I'm being consistent for like a week or so, and then I go into minis and just blow my account.
Oof.
Yeah, so now
That happened to me like 2 weeks ago. That happened to me.
It's because
yeah,
with minis, once you get a little too confident, that's where it goes a little wrong. Because you just
100%,
like,
100. I mean, any little
yeah.
mistake. I mean, you can make I make them like yesterday. I got in on my Top Step account. Dude, I was actually freaking tight because I got out like 120 ticks in the trade or 200 ticks in the trade, and it went down like another 300. But
Ooh.
I traded on my phone, right? And
That's
usually I
discipline,
don't.
though.
I wasn't disciplined at all because I wasn't supposed to be trading on
You
my
were on the
phone. Like,
phone.
yeah. So I traded on my phone.
Hitting on the
I
phone
got in
is
the
different.
trade or whatever, and then what happened? Oh, I was taking my dog out, and I put my phone in my pocket, and I guess I didn't lock it. And then after I take him out, I come back, and then I see that like order was like what's it called, like something with the order or whatever, and I check, and I'm like, oh shit, I sold it. So I had pressed and sold the one contract or whatever, which is fine, but like those are the type of mistakes that you can afford on micros. You know what I'm saying? If let's say if I wasn't
Yeah.
in a what's it called, in a move, and I had pressed sold by mistake, I would have been down like a grand, 2 grand if I was in minis.
Yep. That's the thing.
Yeah, so yeah, you're right. Like
I feel
minis
like,
is a different beast. Oh, 15-minute close really green, so that's good on both ends, and it closed above the zone, the middle of the zone. So if anything, it could retest back to 87, maybe something like that, 87, 87, 88, and then hopefully keep on pumping up. Again, I'm just waiting for this to
the
close
thing
to
about
be
micros,
$200 at least, huh?
The thing about micros is that you can scale out easy and you can secure
Yeah,
profit.
yeah. Like I have a
With a
friend of mine
mini, you
that
have to,
he could trade minis if he wanted to, but what he does is like
yeah,
instead of trading one mini or two minis, he likes to trade like 20 micros, 10 micros and stuff like that. Because then he can
yeah,
scale out, like
for sure.
especially when he does like 20 micros, which is two minis. Like every $500 he takes out five. So his $500 he takes out five. That means like he's keeping $120. Then the next time he hits
Yeah.
$500 he takes out five again. Now this time he's taking $300. Now he has $500 in profit. Now next time when he takes out $500 it's $250. So now he's $800 in profit, and then he holds the next five. And once it hits $500 again, then he gets out two contracts and slowly gets out, dude. And like just doing that, he's hit like 400 ticks before with just 20 micros, and he's made like almost $2,500 because all he does is just let it just keep on building to that number. Like okay, $500 profit, $500 profit, $500 profit, and take little by little out of each thing, you know.
Dang, especially with these big moves, it might be worth it.
On micros, yeah, 100%. All right, there you go. 218, 219. I think it's still going. Man, that's a beautiful, beautiful fucking entry. Off the orb, my entry's at
Oh,
21082. Orb high is 21080.
that was a great
Damn,
call.
bro, your entry was fired. What the fuck?
Yeah, that was
That
the
was a
break was a
great
15-minute orb,
call.
man. I'm gonna make a video about it. I had to trade that. Let me see.
Is
I
there
Where is
got
entry I could
45
find right now,
points.
or
entry? I wouldn't get back into like, boy. Uh, First try in getting an entry would be 21,110, and then the next one after that, if it breaks below that, would be 21,087. So
alright, bet.
it'll be a little bit of a drop. All right, I'm up $170. I still haven't taken a contract off. I'm trying to see if I can get to like $200 in profit, take one contract, and hold the other one. Because again,
You
I
are you in MNQ?
yeah. hmm It's
Okay,
crazy because
okay.
I'm 220, but I was negative $50. I'm right now. I'm like coming back from a $50 loss. So.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Yo, Brian, you there? So the account I'm trading right now is my Apex account. This account, my
Mhm.
drawdown, the drawdown on Apex for 50K is like $2,500. I was about 3 weeks ago, I was at $48,150. So $150 from blowing this Apex account. I brought it back in 3 weeks and I'm at $51,000. So I came back, did the $2,500 drawdown, and now I'm $1,000 into the buffer, bro.
Damn.
Like this is the best comeback I ever had. Like I mean, $150 from blowing your account, bro. I mean, it's almost like I'm not saying impossible, but like for people like like us that are still beginners and like still
To
trying to
make
get the
that
hang of
money
it.
in the markets is insane.
Let me sell one right now. Oh damn! It didn't take my
Yeah.
profit so sell thing. 21,151 is my TP. My first TP is 21,151. Come on! It literally hit 21,149 and then it started bouncing down. Bastard.
Don't worry, but it's gonna push back up. Hopefully.
I think so. Yeah. Let's see. I'll show you
Bro,
It
guys.
on
should
your
keep
soul
on
it's gonna
going
push
up
back up,
after this.
bro.
So this is just two micros I've been holding this whole time. So let me see. 21,149 minus 21,082.
Wait,
That's
low
67
key? I
points
think it's gonna
times
keep
4.
going up.
268. So 268 ticks right now. Well, I like the bounce from 21,125. So let's see what happens there. Yes, starting to lag a bit.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Oh, there you go.
It's
Let's
getting a
go.
little weaker.
Come on, dude. So my thing is like I want to like at least be like $50 positive or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like so I can hold the one
Yeah, for
contract.
sure.
Like that's what I want to do. Like just at least be $50 positive. It's still a win for me on the day or whatever. $50. I know it's not much, but the risk of it is because I feel like if this pumps, like it can pump like really, really high. So like holding just one contract for another 200, 300 points, like it could be money, you know what I'm saying?
As long as you're following your
There
rules,
you
Order
go.
like
filled.
All right, just took one
it doesn't
profit.
matter. Yeah.
Yeah. So right now my overall is at 219. Let's say 210 just in case. Okay, now 220, whatever. 220 minus 138. So I'll still okay. So I'll be like around $80 in profit. If this was, and then the only way I'll be back to $80 in profit is if it drops down completely from where it is right now. If it drops down back to 21,082. Like
Listen, bro.
that's
Listen. Hey, I entered at 21126. Is that?
sorry.
And I'm up like $500 right now.
Yeah, 21120. That's a
But
good entry.
I don't know if I want to just hold it to like 21196 or like just take it.
You said
Cause
what?
I
You're $500 in profit?
yeah, but I'm on an eval, so it's like like
Okay.
eval is just like.
Wait, isn't that
But
what
like
you needed to pass? Or am I talking to somebody else?
nah, I need 3,000, but like so I'm like trying to get to
Oh,
like 211. So my profit target would be 21196.
21196 to get it. I
I
think
think
you'll
it's
hit
gonna
it.
hit, to be honest.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Just let it ride
The
out.
problem is you're in one mini, right?
yeah.
Okay, so like this is why like what I was telling you what my friend does. In one mini you can't
Yeah.
scale out. If you were
Should
in
I
10
take this
micros, no,
700?
no, like if you were in 10
Just
micros, bro, like you
take
would
your
take at
stop
least
loss
half
and
right now.
scale it out.
Like you were
Oh,
taking
I'll
one
take
right
half.
now. But you say
All
you
right,
got in
I'll
a
just buy.
2120?
Yeah, 21196. That's gonna be my profit.
21196.
Yeah.
Damn. I mean, I will
20.
put a
Just get
stop
your
at
stop loss and scale it up.
I will put my stop loss at break even right now. Unfortunately, because the truthfully like the stop loss, if I was in it, my stop loss would be at 2114, 21115, sorry. And that's based on what it
Okay,
is right now.
I'm up like $900 right now.
You're good. You're good. I think it's still good. You know, you got to also expect a retracement sometime, but I feel like if it
Yeah.
breaks below 21136, that's when you start thinking like, okay, maybe I need to get out of it, get off of it, whatever, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, 21136. And now this level, this support level that I'm telling you about, it will just keep on climbing. So like right now, it's at 21137. So again, as long as it doesn't drop from any of that, like you're good.
Yeah, I'm up 1,000 now, and let's see.
Let's
If you
go.
want, you can
And
get
then
your
what? And
stop loss and
once it hits
scale it up.
21,196, that's when you hit your what's it called? To pass
Yep,
eval.
yeah. And then I just need tomorrow the same thing, and then I pass.
Oh, you're doing the 1500, right? For Apex? I'm
Yeah.
sorry, Top Step.
No, for Top Step, yeah, I need like 1,000, like around
Yeah,
that.
1500
The
every day,
first
right?
day, 1.5K. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 5 minutes about to
Uh,
close. Not
Just
closing
watch
very
out for
strong.
this right here.
The
Yeah.
5 minutes not closing that strong, but still pretty good. Again, it's let's see, 21, 143, 21, 1.
I'm
Okay,
gonna
so
put my I'm gonna put my thing to like $800 right now, just to be
okay,
safe.
what's $800? Where does that put you at? What's the number? 21,162.
It's gonna be 21165.
Okay. Oh, okay, right under that last 1 minute candle. Okay,
Yeah.
just know that'll probably get hit.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
Yeah,
but just
that'll
to be
get hit.
safe.
No, that's fine. $800 is $800, dude. The hell?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, like it'll get hit because that's only at the 1 minute range.
Yeah, I got hit.
Yeah,
All right, I'm
yeah,
up 850.
Yeah.
good.
Oh, you're good. That's a good trade right there.
That was definitely a
Let's
good
see. Yeah.
trend. Yeah.
Secret
Let's
profit
see.
because at any moment there could be a Diddy candle and it just comes
Yeah,
all
that's
the
what
way
I'm
down.
saying. See, like that.
Look
Yeah,
right
look.
21,
there.
Yeah.
21,082, 21,082. So,
Okay.
I
Should I
at that high, I hit 400 ticks, man.
should I look 400? Damn.
Dang,
Yeah, look,
bro.
21,082 at
And
21,180.
imagine
That's 400. Oh, that's 100 points. That's 400 ticks.
and imagine if you enter with NQ, bro.
Dang.
Holy
That would have
shit.
been 2 grand. And if
That'd
I
be
was in two contracts, that would have
fucking
been
insane.
4 grand. Yeah, I know.
Holy.
And the thing is, like, again,
It's
it's
good though,
mental,
bro. You're
bro.
not being greedy though. That's good, bro. You're not being
Yeah,
greedy.
I know. Like
Should I look for a re-entry?
my safest reentry. So there's a good reentry right here, like around 140, closer to 137 would be a good reentry.
Okay, I'll look.
And then,
Okay,
but like my safest reentry, truthfully, would be like around 117. I'll show you, and that's gonna be off the eight EMA. What the hell? Where's this
bet.
screen thing at? I'm trying to look for the screen, and I can't find it. Oh, there it is. All right, let me get off of this one, and let me share something. Where is it? There you go. Again, I'm holding the contract. Usually on a day like this, like I'm already up $250. So
Hmm.
I'm up $91 on my Top Step account, and that's like three funded accounts or whatever. And like I should have probably taken a trade on there, but I was negative on this Apex account. So I wanted to make the $50. So, but usually like when I hit $250 on the day, like I'm done for a day because that'll be 250 on my three Top Step and 250 on this account. So like I'm done for a day then.
Yeah.
But I'm holding just because of how high this can go. Like I mean,
Yeah, it's probably gonna, bro. It's definitely like gonna like dump a bit, but it's definitely
the
going
thing
up
is like
after.
it broke that 4 hour zone. So like I mean, off the bat, that's to me that's really good. Now let me see. Okay, so there's another 4 hour zone coming, but I don't know. All right, there's another 4 hour zone coming around 21,386. Actually, the beginning of it is 21,279. So that's another zone for it to bounce, like to reject from. So if it rejects from that area, it'll come back down to where we started. But then if it breaks, man, if it breaks that other 4 hour zone at 21,398, this goes to at least 21,805. And then there's after
Yeah.
that there's a zone at 22,152 on the 3 hour zone. Damn, this is the thing. Like the moves are crazy right now. Like even with micros, you can still make some money or whatever. But
Hmm.
yeah, let's see. This 5 minutes about to close green, like pretty strong. This 15 minutes about to close pretty strong. 21,279. I think if this is 21,200, I might get out. And it might be a little
Yeah.
too early. The next zone will be around 21,333, and that's maybe when I look for a short or a long off of that zone again. So we'll see. I'm almost up
Where at?
$300 on this account. Sorry?
Where at? Like when are you gonna look for shorts?
Uh, like a short will be anywhere from 2283 to 2283 to 3340. I'll show you the other screen because I was showing you the
Bet.
5 minute. I'll show you the 15 minute. I have multiple accounts open. I have the
Damn,
one that I
bro.
marked my thing.
Yeah,
All right,
that shit
here's the
low-key pumped
15.
high, bro. Holy shit.
I think it's gonna keep on pumping.
This is why I
Yeah,
was
low
holding it.
key.
I'm $300 for the day.
I
I was negative
got
$50.
I got in at
Sheesh.
5899 for ES with one contract, and I'm holding it for.
My
I
shit would
don't
have
know
hit
how
big.
long I should hold it.
Let me enjoy myself.
Oh, my shit would have hit.
Let's
I don't
see.
know
Almost at 21
to
200.
where I should hold it. That's the
It hit
thing.
that 1192. It hit.
21,082. Dude, I'm up almost 506.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, I'm about to sell.
Bro, I'm
Hold
about
up,
to
let me see.
reach a grand.
Nice, bro. On your funded?
About to sell. Who,
Yeah.
me?
Oh no, the other guy. I
Oh,
think you're on your
Grant.
funded on your top.
Wait, Jerry,
Yeah.
you're in alarm?
No,
Yeah,
no.
I got in at
Oh,
5899 for
JR.
ES with one. Yeah.
Good stuff. You know what? I think,
I
man,
don't know how long I
I
should
feel like
hold it
the
for because it is
holding
popping
is
it
the
for.
makes sense here, but I don't know.
'Cause at any moment it could
215.
just come back down again.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna hold it to be honest.
Yeah, low
All
key.
right, 5 times.
'Cause it'll do whatever it wants to do to be honest. Because ES is already at all time highs, I believe.
207. No, there's no way.
No, never mind. My bad.
1215 minus
It
21.
was about to break the. What was it?
Nice. Okay. I think I'm gonna
After
get
It's not.
out.
March, it's about to break
Yeah,
low.
it's not. Yeah, it's not moving no more, bro. This shit's just like
I put a loss. I mean a loss. A sale at 21,216 to see if it hits.
21.26.
216. That's my take profit. Sorry.
Oh, 216.
Yeah, which was the high of that candle.
We
So we'll
got
see if it
in
goes back on it.
at.
All right. So ES is finally turning red. 5 minutes turning red. A good entry here will be
Yeah.
21,145 if anyone's interested in getting back in.
24.
21,145.
21.245.
No, 21,145. Getting in for a
21.
long. All right, I'm about to get out, I
1.
think. Let's see.
I just got
Bet.
out of my ES contract right there.
Whew. All right, well, this is going on at
Order
YouTube.
filled.
There you go, I'm done.
It's pumping still. It's pumping still. Holy fuck.
I'm out. I
Yeah.
did
Yup.
500. Yeah, I did 500
Bro, it's literally.
and bless you. I did 532
Look at
ticks.
the NQ, bro. Look at the 5 minute on NQ. It's literally
Oh yeah, you're
green after
good.
green after green.
Whoever's in, you're still good. I wouldn't get out till anywhere between 21275 and 335 as a long, because there's that zone up there. So it's going to that zone. Like it's literally gonna go to that 3 hour zone up there. Sheesh. All right, cool.
Holy pump, bro. What the fuck?
Going.
Bro, this
Man, what
pump
an
is
entry, bro.
insane.
What an
Holy
entry.
shit. I want to enter short so badly right now just to get like a couple hundred, but at the same time, you never know. This shit can
2182,
just like,
216.
yeah.
I think this is just gonna keep
All
on
right.
going up. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, you never know. I don't want that shit to happen.
That was good. Damn, that
So
was
I'm just gonna
good.
wait. That
All
was
right.
fucking fire, bro. Good shit.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm out of
Bro,
that.
Gio,
And then let me hold on
look,
1 second. I'm a
handle,
little
handle, handle.
paranoid with this thing. I don't know if you're looking at my screen, but
Yeah.
in the past I've had issues where freaking you left the contract in and stuff and a bunch of bullshit. So I clicked the exit position like 10 times before I get out. And yeah, 354. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, I'm out of that one. And then I can go to, oh, let me stop sharing this one. All right, my bad. Who was asking something? What's up?
Bro, this is why. Well, I'm not sure if you use breaker blocks, but
I'm watching
since I'm
your,
still trying to learn them,
yeah,
this could have been my intro around here. I could have caught this crazy stuff.
2850. That was even earlier than my entry, bro. That would have been great. And the thing is, let me see. Can you go back to the top of that box? What's the number?
On
What's
the
the right here? Yeah. What's the 20076 and then go down like to the bottom of the box? Sorry. 20076, 209, 20. Okay, hold on. 2876. Sorry, and minus 2809. That's a 67 tick stop loss, bro. On one contract, like I would have taken this on one micro contract, and then
this would have,
you're on one micro, right? On one micro,
yeah, I would have done micro for sure.
your loss would have been $150, but this already hit about 600 ticks, so you're talking about 1, 2, 3. So yeah, so yours would have been 1 to 2 risk to reward. So your loss would have been $150, maybe $150 to almost a $350 win on one micro, yeah.
Damn.
So like if you would have gone, and the mini would have been way different. So like in a mini, it would have been like $1,000 loss to a $3,500 win. But again, on a micro, especially when you're trying to get consistent and whatnot, like that's what I look for. All right. No, damn, I should have taken it on Top Step. Like I'm like slacking, like not slacking, but I took a couple of L's on Top Step last week.
I took the shorts. Let's see. I'm gonna go break even, bro, just in case. Okay, fuck.
259. You took a short, you said?
Bro, it was at $100, bro. I was gonna go break even, and then it just went a little bit. Okay, let's see.
Yeah. So.
Okay, I'm at break even. I'm at break even now. Let's see.
I mean, it's a good short technically. That 5 minute close didn't close that strong, so
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I entered. But
21,195 would be, if depending on how many contracts you have, but 21,195 would be my first TP.
Waiting for another
21.9.
red
21,195.
candle
If
and
it
I
was to
might get
push
in.
down, that'd be my first TP because that'd be the first level of rejection of resistance or support technically. So 21,195 would be the first level of support. So now if it breaks below that, then my next level will be 21,160. But 21,115 would be probably my first TP if it does want to push down. Yes, it's pushing down pretty hard. Let me see.
Yeah, I'm still in this. I'm break even. I'm up $100 right now. Let's see.
Share this one out. Yo, Jared, look
200.
at the so again the SMT thing that I was telling you about, like when the two indicators are not matching, like the ES and NQ, when they're not matching and stuff like that, like one is like leading the other. So right now they're both pretty much the same. Like they finally broke their highs and now they're going back down the same way or whatever. And like this is what tells you, like, how you should get in on them on NQ or get on ES. Try to find which one's the leading contract or whatever, or ticker.
Fuck, went break even.
Hey, break even is better than not break even.
Good thing I went break even though, cause this shit just be like.
I still like the 5 minute closed pretty, like they didn't close that strong, but again,
That's what I was
it's
thinking
fighting
too.
it's fighting
Oh,
the
there you go.
trend. Like it, like
Yeah.
going in short right now is like fighting a trend and stuff like that because there's truthfully no what's it called? There's no true or like hold for a short to like past 2109, 21,099. There's a 5 minute zone down
Yeah.
there, but with this type of a push to the upside, I think it just continues the upside for a bit. Oh boy, isn't it crazy? Like we can do this for what 40 minutes and stuff like that, and make what we would make at a job for the whole day, make it in 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Not even for the whole
The
day, bro.
same, bro.
If you go NQ, bro, for the whole week.
Well, yeah. I mean, again, if I would have gone in even just 1 minute, it would have been $3,000. But one day when I get there, I'm talking about like right now. I'm
Almost
just
a
in the
month.
one. Right now. I'm just in the 1 day type of thing. That's where my trades
Yeah.
just take me for the day. That's it.
That's good, bro. That's what you do.
I haven't gotten. You guys that trade those minis, bro. Like props to you guys because like for me to trade, like again, I have no issue. Like if I had no feelings like whatsoever, like if I had some issue in my head but had no feelings and stuff, like I'd probably be like like any of us could probably be like millionaires. You know what I'm saying? Because like 80% of this freaking thing is all mental. Like how you feel at the moment of like,
Yeah.
oh man, I'm at negative $500, but that based on your strat is gonna go up, but you're like, oh, I'm negative $500, so you decide to get out of it, and then it just pumps. Like those type of
Yeah.
feelings, like it's insane.
Yeah, they
But like
come into play, bro.
that's what keeps me from going to minis.
Yeah.
Let's see, 5 minutes is about to close. It seems like it's gonna close semi-red. 20 seconds left.
Seems like this shit's gonna dump soon, but let's see though.
That'd be. Let's see.
Not a strong candle though.
It seems like it's gonna close red. No, yeah, no, the 5 minutes does not seem that strong.
Yeah.
It is closing.
Oh, it's gonna
Nope.
close green.
Yeah, it's gonna. Yeah, that was a push.
Green.
Damn,
What?
it closed green. That's crazy. Yep. I wouldn't even trust
What?
this. That's insane.
Holy shit! I'm like, yeah.
It
The
jumped
fuck
up in
is
the
this?
the last 2 seconds.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I was thinking red too, but look at this candle right here. But still, that's
Oh,
a green. That's a
this,
green hammer right there. So
bro, this might either be like a crazy downside, bro, or like just slowly keep on pumping up.
it needs a break. You know what I'm saying? People
Yeah.
need to take some of their money and like I mean, it's again, what, almost over 100 points. So
Yo,
someone made money like crazy, So now
Damn,
they
bro,
need to
it's
take some break.
still pumping, bro.
bro, what?
What the
Oh,
fuck?
Yeah. That
you
makes
still can't
sense.
fucking hear me?
We can hear you, bro. That was the first time we heard you, though. I don't know
I
how
was about
long
to
you're
start saying
talking.
the N-word, bro. I was like, bro, what the fuck?
Whoa, Brian. Whoa.
I was like, why can't nobody hear me, bro?
Bro,
Nah,
hold on.
yo, Jared, I was saying, did you miss out on that shit or you got it in, bro? Cause looky, I'm
Uh,
like,
I'm
I missed
actually
out on that
up,
shit.
bro. Gio is a goat, bro. I'm up 800.
Yeah, me and Gio called that one out, bro.
Yep,
Same
yep,
as me.
yep.
Bro,
Damn,
bro, me,
freaking, what's it called? Brian would have passed his eval if he would have been home.
bro,
Easy.
me and Gio called this shit out at like 20975, bro. Me and Gio are just him.
I even sent a text to the call out. I sent a text to the call out in the chart call out, but low key, I hadn't sent the message.
Bro,
Look,
I took this trade. I took this trade off. Actually, yeah, Brian. Why were you saying it was gonna go long? What were you thinking it was gonna go long?
Bro, it was just straight bullet structure, dog.
Yeah,
I was like, I feel like we're pulling towards all-time high.
it makes sense.
And
And
then
those are things I'm still trying to learn with all
because
my strategy and stuff
I
like
could have
that.
been a goofy and be like, oh, we're gonna short right here. But I was like, dog, like it's kind of silly when you're shorting close to an all-time high. You know, it's
Yeah,
gonna hit all-time high and then you short type shit. But or maybe
yeah.
even just scalp the retracements. I sent a text to the chart call out. I'm not sure if anybody's seen it. I was like, waiting for a retracement, gonna stick the tip in. But I never stuck the tip in, so I just unsent the message.
hey, yo.
But yeah, I
That's
was like,
funny.
fuck.
But
It's
what's
cool
it called?
though. Got a little bit of FOMO, so I'm probably not gonna trade though. I missed out the fucking entry.
And that
And
you
then
know
you even
what
gave
though? It's
another
been like that,
chance for
yeah.
entry too, but it's cool.
The entries are like usually your first entry is the one that works, yeah. Because yesterday was the same thing.
Hmm.
Remember we missed that short
Yeah,
like right off
yeah.
the bat. Oh man, the short that we were taking was right at the top of that, like the top of the freaking wick, yo. Like we were, yeah, no, we had taken like the top wick for that, but we didn't take it.
Okay, bro. I think we're about to have like a little like a
I
little
got you one of
down.
them, bro.
21, 176.
Yeah, sorry, bro. Look, you like my alarm? I don't know. I had the alarms for 4:50 and 4:55. You want to try it? It's just normal tick.
Let's see.
Yeah, bro. I don't even know what happened. And then my PC kept turning on, bro. I put it on sleep mode and then it would fucking turn back on. I'm like, oh my God. Yeah.
Damn, La Llorona, dog.
Nah, it
You
was
gotta be
just a
careful of
ghost.
that.
Dead ass, bro.
La
Like
Llorona,
Yorona
dog.
was fucking hitting my keyboard.
Shit.
Fucking ghost was just trolling.
Well, I mean, think about it. Like, they have to get with the times too. She doesn't go outside crying no more. She goes on Twitter.
Bro, it was.
Yeah, down looks good
Bro,
now.
I broke out new skin. That shit was hella funny. Hey, I got yogurt too, bro, if you want to smack one of them things.
What was that?
Yeah, but they don't take nasty. They don't take nasty.
21,193. What chart am I showing you guys? Oh, my 15 minute. What the hell was that? Was that Thunder, guys?
I know. I had a dream there was thunder too, bro. No, it sounds like somebody's driving.
Oh, I mean, damn.
Sounds like someone's stroking their shit.
Somebody's straight stroking their shit, huh? It's
Yo,
probably me.
I'm freaking live on YouTube, by the way. Don't worry though, nobody's watching my shit, but still.
It's the content. I want to mute the guy that has his
What was it?
My
mic
bad.
loud.
No. What was it? Is it Alex, the one with the Lambo, I think, in his picture or something like that? Remember last night?
Yeah,
Someone said like, "I'll give you my dick," and he was like, "Yeah, just give it to me." No, yeah, just
Bro,
give me your
bro.
dick. Remember?
I think that was
Yo.
me. I think that was me who said that. I think
Was
he
it?
said.
That was you? You were
I
walking
think that
last
was
night?
me. Was
Last
I?
night?
Yeah, I joined for a
I
bit.
never would just say what you said.
Yeah, I know you joined for a bit. I
Oh,
don't know
it
who the
was
hell
me.
said
It
it.
was me.
Yeah, and somebody
Yo,
freaking
Derek.
said it. I was like, "Yo, what the hell?" Hey, JD.
Yo,
Yo, JD was good, brother.
what's good, big dogs?
You end up popping in anything, bro?
Me right now, I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, me neither, bro.
I'm walking the dog right now. Fucking woke
Hey,
up
very
with
good.
a
How's
nose.
how's the
Oh
weather over there, bro?
shit.
Right, it's like this rain is kind of fucking everyone up. But right
Okay.
now, it's not raining at all. It was supposed to rain all day today.
You know
Oh,
what time
bet,
you want to
bet.
go, bro?
Our rain. Well, we don't have no rain. Well, yesterday was bad, but today's sunny as hell, bro. Which now it's like
Yeah,
all
it's the same
what's
thing here. Like it's sunny. It's just humid right now.
That was what I was gonna say. Now it's
But
super humid because it rained all day yesterday, right? So there goes
yeah.
that. Yep.
What time did you want to go? 7:40?
2109.
Huh?
Say less. Let me know.
The what?
Oh no,
He's
you can
talking to
ignore me.
somebody else, bro.
I can't
My
hear
fault.
shit.
Yeah, I'm talking about little brother.
Hey, what up, little bro?
The weirdo baby.
What up, little bro?
Yo, look, I'm showing you the 5 minute chart now, and look how close it got to the 8 EMA and started bouncing off of it. Like this is what I was saying. Like around this area would be the re-entry for one,
Doing a little bit of YSL.
but
Yeah, it's just clean.
11
It's like it's a nice
points.
like hot day fragrance. Oh yeah, yeah. I feel like it's just a all around like perfect fragrance though. You can wear that bitch when it's cold, when it's hot. Like I say it's a 10 out of 10, bro.
Damn,
You're
you
a
know
10
you're
out
a
of 10.
good salesperson when you can
You know what
sell
I'm
your own
saying?
cologne, bro.
Nah, that has a like I don't know if you guys have ever smelled it. It's like it lasts all day, bro. It smells
And then
like
Brian's like,
W.
I'll put the link in the description real quick so you guys can go ahead and buy it.
Oh,
Get that credits from Amazon. You know what I'm
Use my code. Use my code.
saying? Use my code.
nah, bro. When I get colognes, I recommend Joma Shop or Fragrance Net, bro. You get them bitches like at
Oh
wholesale price.
yeah, fragrance stand. They have 'em- They usually have that in
Look at
all
the
the
break. Look at the break.
what's it
Mm-hmm.
called? All those outlets, right?
A little bit of raw meat. We got a little bit of the hard-boiled eggs. We got a little bit of Greek yogurt. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of cocoa water.
He's like raw meat and boiled eggs, and he's just showing his dig on there.
Straight my cock.
Yeah, like
And then
raw
look
Hey,
meat
at we
and a
got
yo.
the
couple
new
of
iPad.
eggs.
Look at that new screen, baby. Let's go. Shout out Arrowbud.
Damn.
You end up getting the other screen?
Low key, yeah, a little bit of retail therapy, baby. You already know.
You ended up getting the screen,
Oh, let's see.
friend?
Let's see.
Low
Hold
key,
on. Let me
yeah, I
see.
got that shit last night.
Let me see the screen. I didn't
Oh,
see it, bro.
you seen it? Look at
Oof.
it. It's a new setup, brother.
Yes. 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 That's nice, bro. You're. Don't touch the damn screen. What's wrong with you, bro? Did not learn that shit. You cannot
It's,
touch the screen, man.
nah, I didn't touch
Damn.
it. Hell no, I wasn't touching it. I was about to though. It's like a
I
stripper,
need
you
I
can
need
only
to get
look but no
something like
touch.
I need to get something like that to set up like chat or whatever
We
when
got the Funkos.
ooh gold and silver, baby.
Yeah, sorry.
Yo, we gotta
Put
start.
the
We
card
gotta
away.
we gotta try to do that book club thing I was telling you about. I mean, anyone interested?
Oh,
Like
dead ass, yeah.
picking a book or whatever, and then like everyone reading it and getting together like once a week or whatever to
I'm with
read.
it, dog. I'm
You
with
know,
it. Like dead ass, I'm with it.
because the only reason why I say that is just it makes me it make at least to me it will make me like actually have to read that book. You know what I'm saying? Because then you look like an
No,
idiot
100%.
if you meet up with these guys and you don't even know what the fuck you're talking about.
Yeah.
You're
Nah,
like,
next
oh,
book we could read. Everybody order Trading in the Zone. I have that one coming in the mail.
I have that one. I have that book.
Oh, bet.
Trading in the Zone by Douglas.
You hear it, Mark Doug?
Yeah, so we need to read that one and then reading price charts bar by bar. Like price action moves the market, bro. We need to read that one. I'll send a picture and then we should read like those two books though. Everybody and their mother is like everyone that's making money are like, oh yeah, I read reading price chart by chart and then in the zone. Like Tori Trey's your girlfriend. Those two books are
Yeah.
the ones that she recommended when I was doing her class.
Oh, bet.
Yeah, I didn't read them though, so that's why I keep on trying to say like maybe do a book club or something because I need to read these books.
No, I would. I like it. I like that idea.
Yeah, I say we do it. I mean, especially for new beginners, man. And the thing is though, like
Just in
if
general.
you no, yeah, but like I'm just saying, like anyone that doesn't want to spend the money on it, like truthfully spend the money, because
Oh, yeah.
you can
Yep.
you can literally
100%.
do Amazon and then fucking return that shit.
Oh,
Yeah,
W scam.
it's 2 months, right? So they give you 2 months to return that shit. I've had
That's
my
actually
books
fire
for
as
a
fuck.
while, so like reading price chart by chart and then the in the zone or whatever. Like I had them for a while, so like but
Yeah, it's kind of too late for me, but no, that's still cool though.
yeah,
I have a nice little book collection. I like it. You could always go back and like read them and shit. Give
yeah.
you the
But
highlights of it.
I'm just saying like for beginners and stuff like that, sometimes like because as a beginner, damn woman, don't be dying on my time. Yeah. No, as a beginner or whatever, you have to like come up with money for the prop firms and then come up money, to pay the activation fee and stuff like that. And like, buying a book, sometimes is more than what, some people can afford, especially because they're trying to work to pay bills and this and that and all the other, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just saying, like, giving us an idea, like, they could just buy it from Amazon and usually you get like 2 months to return that shit.
We could do a PDF.
How do we do that?
Mm, we
I'm
could probably
sure you
find
could.
it.
Nah, I was gonna say I'm sure you could probably find it, but I mean, it don't matter. Like, again, the only reason I'm thinking of this idea is just because, like, I feel like it'll push me to read the book. You know what I'm saying? I like if we're doing good now, like just think about how good it would be if we had like more knowledge based on the books that of people that have been doing this for decades.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, man, that re-entry. I don't know if anyone's looking at the 5 minute, but that re-entry from the
For
ADMA was,
longs?
yeah, for the ADMA was pretty good at 190, 180, 92. That's 30 points, 100. Well, it went up all the way to 30. So that's what, 200 ticks right there if you were taking that re-entry to where it's now. But it does seem like
Dang.
it's building some type of resistance though. But let's see. One, two, three.
Hey, what the hell, boy? This just keeps on like pumping and shit.
Yeah, bro. NQ. I started my stream. I named it NQ took a rhino.
What the
All
hell?
right.
What the
Yeah.
hell? Well, he definitely knows how to, catch people's attentions. You know what I'm saying? And he took a rhino. Damn, makes me feel bad about my title, bro. 9:30 a.m. market open. Let's make some profit. Like what the
Yeah, that's blessed. That's good.
hell? Whatever, yo.
Because usually it's just NQ NY trading session
Oh, okay.
or NQ Tokyo session.
Yeah, but that
But today I
title,
was like, well, NQ did take a rhino, so
yo, that's good. I would watch that.
shout out for the follow.
Fuck, bro. I want to enter so badly.
Let me see.
Do you have FOMO pre?
Have what?
You have FOMO right now.
Don't call him a
Bro, I have a
homo.
lot of
Yeah.
it. Oh, you said homo?
I
Yeah, a
think
little
that's
bit
what
of
he said.
FOMO. I already know you're homo, but
Hella
I,
homo, bro. I'm hella homo.
so,
W.
Preem,
Bro, what should I?
based on
Yeah.
let's say like, so now I'm trying to see where I can, like, another strategy, right? So like you try all your strategies and whatnot. A re-entry would be around the 191. That's the 8 EMA strat. Then the 15-minute orders,
Bet.
which is what I took, and then now this is the trend break and what's it called, trend break wedge breakout. So on the 5 minute, if it breaks above 242, you take an entry with a stop loss around 206, and then the same thing over here. If it breaks 206, stop loss above with, you take a profit or whatever. I like the longs. I wouldn't take shorts right now. I like the longs on this one, so I'll wait for a break above here or maybe a retest around here for a long. But this trend right here, this trend strat, that's what Tory
Yeah.
Trades teaches.
The 3-point trend line.
That's it. This is it. That's all she does. But she trades on the 4 hour. So when the 4 hour breaks, like usually a 4 hour candle is, it's actually going the direction that it want, like, there's actually gonna go. So I mean, like, look at it. This 4 hour candle, one good strong candle. Let's say if it would have broken a trend here, you could have held from 21,116 all the
What's
way
good, bro?
to 21,238. So that's how Tory trades that 4 hour candle, because it gives you a really good amount of size.
Yeah, but what you gotta understand is that if you guys are trading like Tory trades, she's a swing trader,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
she
yeah,
also
of course. That's why I
mainly
said she
she
does four
mainly
hours.
trades she mainly trades oil. Oil's pattern's a little different from from Nasdaq and stuff like that.
Yeah, and she could
Right
get it
now,
too.
it's just right now it's just obvious that the market's gonna move up. But at the end of the day, it's just like I
JD,
wouldn't try to
JD,
Yes,
scalp.
Brecky.
I wouldn't use
JD,
her strategy for
you
every
heard
guy.
Brian? Like everything that we're saying right now
Yeah,
is not important about Tory Trace, right? It
no,
doesn't
for
matter. You know what was it? What was it, Brian? What's the important part?
I was like, and she could get it too.
There you go. There you go.
Hey
That's what he's saying.
yo.
That's the
Hey
important part to him,
yo.
JD.
I'm sorry, but she could.
Oh, she's mine, bro. Relax, bro.
Are you guys okay? You know, out of all three of us, the only one that's talked to her is me, yeah?
What, bro? Put me on,
Hey,
bro.
she commented on my TikTok live.
I
But
talked
I
to
gotta
her
make a
one-on-one.
TikTok account or what? At this point, but I just gotta make a TikTok account, bro.
202-195.
Do,
Okay, it's
bro.
coming back down.
Yeah, not solo. Yeah, you're real too. Yeah, that's real. That's real.
21-194. Let's see, hold
No,
up.
but yeah, definitely.
21-91.
Yeah, there's higher
89.
time frames and shit.
Like, yo, I don't know how TikTok works, but remember that time that you had you were live with Ryan and that chick or whatever?
Yeah.
When I checked your live or whatever, when I was in your thing, it's like now every time she posts something, I get a notification. Like, what the hell?
Really?
Yeah, I'm not following. I mean, I
Ooh.
don't follow. You know what I'm saying? Following. Yeah, regular following. How many people am I following? Like 20 people, if that. I see you on right now. Yeah, I'm following 6 people, bro, and you are one of them. So, and one is my mother, and one is my wife. So I don't know why her stuff shows up.
it's funny because I've seen Tory trades from the beginning till now. And
Yeah.
it's funny how she's kind of course, dude. Remember I used to work with chart addicts, bro. Remember I was a mentor for chart addicts, and chart addicts were the people that put her pretty much on the map with the whole FX summit.
Did you say
Oh
OF? What the
shit.
fuck?
No, goofy chart addicts.
Oh,
Yo, JD, what do
But
you
it's
think
just
about
funny because,
entry right here around the 21-190?
dog, I don't know. I mean, for
Oh,
longs, it's probably reasonable,
yeah.
to be honest, but I feel like you're gonna get a lot of consolidation within this area before it takes up a direction.
Okay. I see that. Now I have
I'm
a
more concerned of that 30 minute. That 30 minute looks a lot nicer for the sells, especially that we're definitely overbought. So I would
hundred
just
percent
kind of be
overbought.
cautious of it. I have no reason to really be entering in any trade right now. So
100%.
Bro, I already answered your question, KG. Hey, Al Keaton, what's good, bro?
you're live on TikTok, Brian?
Yeah. Did you ask what symbol it is and already answered it twice?
For sure.
Oh, W20 the Tiger, W.
W.
Peep the brekkie. We got like some straight lean, bro. Straight
Hey, by
lean.
the way, I entered this
Let me
shorts.
tell you, man.
I'm up $900 right now. Type shit. I'm holding it to 21118. It's about to hit. Hopefully, please,
Hey, okay.
So
please.
that's
Okay,
gonna be
It
your
hits me.
22-118. 22. Wait, what?
So like,
Wait, wait.
y'all want the reality? Y'all want the reality of like trading right now, bro? Like trading prop firms. And I don't want
W
to make
brekkie.
you guys feel bad or anything like that, but there's levels to this shit. And if you guys don't understand that, it's kind of hard for you guys to even be trading right now. Watch
About to hit
this.
that.
This is my Discord right now. If you guys want to join my Discord, this is not mine. This is a Discord that I joined. This guy's really good with everything that like everyone here is like legit payouts and stuff like that. There's a guy that's cashing out $62,000 of a lifetime payout with Tradeify. There's a guy that's on PA accounts, right? He has I don't know how many PA accounts across the board of
Oh, my
50,000.
fault, dog. My fault.
Hey,
He's
gang.
looking at 400,000 each.
Damn.
I mean, we kind of got the same thing. We got Matt. We got
I
JBC.
don't know about this, bro. These are PA accounts with Apex, and these people have like legit payouts, like legit fucking payouts, bro.
Wait,
We
which
got
one is it?
Ryan.
These
I don't
people,
know.
these people are just doing it with Apex for the hell of it. Half of these people are already maxed out with everything else. You see?
Yo, slide me the invite. No cap. But look at this. By the way, hey, bro.
This is a
Gio.
little. You see, look, take profit
Bro,
right
bro just
here.
plugged into their Discord right now.
These people, dude, these people make stupid money. I know this guy personally. This guy's making stupid money, bruh.
What the fuck?
Brother, you have no idea, dude. Like these people make bread. Like I had to like sit down when I thought that I knew how to trade and when I thought that I was making decent money, these people make bread. These people make fucking bread. And these people have been out. So this guy would have like all the discounts for each prop from right here. And he'll fucking actively fucking tell you. He would actively fucking tell you if there's a discount and stuff like that. I just fucking read them all, so. But like every day there's like something new. Some new prop firm with an 80% off or something like that, you see? Take profit payout.
I thought we used to cap on Apex, bro.
Huh?
I thought
So
Apex
these are
wasn't W.
so these people know how to like fucking do the 20 accounts. Why I don't fucking do Apex is because this fucking shit's whack. To have to get 20 accounts like this, bro, and fucking tie them up all together, I don't like that shit. And then these are the people that give me the news if they're paying out or not. This guy seems to be fucking getting paid out, and this guy goes for like small numbers. First day with 20 PA
Hey, my fault,
accounts.
KB. My fault, bro. My fault.
These people, dude, see, all these people are like on PA accounts. So like trade cage, fucking he vouches through this shit. So I could go here and where is it? These are payout clubs. So right here we have people that have hit certain numbers, right? We have people that have hit 2 million in payouts. This is from last year. We had this person hit more than 2 million in payouts across multiple prop firms. These are just people that hit 1 mil. Trade Cage already hit 500, which he's the owner of all this. He's the one that posted everything. He has a cheat sheet, right? Where is it? Right here. The spreadsheet, right? Oh, my bad. This one right here. So you guys are gonna be. This is pretty cool. See, I'm gonna have to change stream. Change right here. So peep this. This little fucking thing right here. He has a whole fucking cheat sheet, a very prop firm that pays out and doesn't pay out, right? He'll tell you what type of accounts that they have, how you can trade it, which is TradeOvay or the wealth charts or whatever it is, or Rhythmic. I'll tell you if he's had the payouts. He'll give you the discount code to them and stuff like that. Right here, he'll give you an active code of 91% for other prop firms. He has every prop firms possible.
Hey, yo, Keaton,
Prop
how did that even
firms.
happen, bro? Did you go in
Huh?
shorts or what?
This is like pretty, like these are the only people I fucking trust when it comes to prop firms, bro.
Like trading prop firms, me?
Yeah, these people really test each prop from one by one and they'll tell you, they'll actively tell you, okay, so do we get payouts? Yes. And then they'll tell you the ones that are kind of like skimpy. So like right here, you have one that says rest in peace. These were the ones that kind of like went out right now. And they had more here, but I don't know what happened to them. He just recently updated this. This guy makes money, bro.
Yeah,
These people make stupid money.
that's the best type of money, I guess. Stupid.
You see, scam firm avoided at all costs. Lelo. And then he'll
Huh.
tell you, okay, these are the new ones that came out. Yeah, these people don't play. Been around for a while, but got denied 3 times over a vague reasons.
What's the difference
Elite trader
between
funding.
Ryan, Matt, and like all the homies in here making bank out of that shit though?
Out of who?
The people I just stated, bro. JB, we got Matt, Ryan,
But
eventually us, bro.
no, like making what? Like getting their payouts and stuff?
Eventually, you're gonna get to that point.
No, for sure, yeah.
I mean,
They
Ryan,
will,
Ryan
but
got
that's
his
what I'm
payout, right?
saying.
Are you
That
like belittling us or like?
that's what I'm telling you. There's levels to this, bro. There's absolute levels to this shit, bro. I'm not even here, bro. You're looking at people with two point something million across all the boards, across every fucking prop firm.
Yeah.
That's crazy. We'll get there one day. I mean, I think we as a Discord, I think we're more focused to like help the beginners. You know what I'm saying?
No,
Like
for
help
sure. That's the
them.
whole point.
Yeah, because like I think there's a lot of beginners and noobs. Like like how I started when I started following people and this and that. Like they're trading minis and this and that. Like they're all like what's it called? They're all sponsored by some type of prop firm, and then they're over here showing you to trade minis and stuff like that without showing you proper risk management. So as a noob, I go in and I'm like a month in and I'm already like 50 prop firms evals already failed. You know what I'm saying? And of course, no one's really gonna show me how to like risk manage that because I'm following people that are sponsored by prop firms and are trading minis instead of micros and stuff like that, or having a tighter risk management like Ryan and Brian does. You know what I'm saying? So like I think that's what like this is what it's about because I don't think
Yeah.
anyone here is in the hundreds of thousands
No,
yet.
yeah. I mean, I'm not saying it in a bad way. Like this Discord, like there's no charging, there's no none of that with these people. Like it's just
Mm,
like a Discord you can join. The only thing is that he gives a lot of discounts to whatever he has going on, right? So it's like he has a whole section of actively prop firm discounts info. So you'll be able to see like, okay, this is giving this is giving that, and then everyone in
mm,
there is gonna start showing all their payouts, and they gotta show proof. He's the type of guy that if
Hey,
you don't show
Cal,
the proof
you can
and
go to
he
that.
has connections to them, he will like he'll make sure that it's for real.
You
right.
finna go to
You get me?
the grad shit today. All right, I'll tell you.
And
I'll tell you.
that's why I'm saying like
Mm,
this is when I
there's
realized that
levels.
there's levels to this shit.
Right.
Like that's just something else, bro. To be able to fucking say that you got like 2 million from just prop firms is kind of wild, bro.
Hey,
Yeah.
AJD, A20, you got tips for nigga? I'm still on my combine shit. I'm not gonna lie.
The what? What
Right.
happened?
I'm still like doing combines and shit. You just got like general tips, just you feel me, strategy
For your
wise,
combines?
anything. Just like combine, fund is everything in general. Just
It's kind
tips
of
for real.
so you're what are you doing? You're doing futures?
Yeah, hell yeah. That
You're
nigga
doing futures?
Ryan put me on to gold, but I'm just sticking to AQ and gold right now.
So it all depends on what you want to stay to. Where did Brian go?
Oh, what the hell? Why did
Brian
Apple
left.
TV just? What the hell? Apple TV just opened on my computer. Weird.
Huh?
But yeah, if you just got tips for a nigga for
So brother, it really depends. It really depends what you
Order
want to do.
filled.
You know?
the futures, like just
So if
sticking
you're
to
just doing futures, bro, and you're just trying to like, if your goal is to just pass it or get a payout, dude, like just go for small numbers, man.
nah,
I can't
hell
really
nah,
tell you
like I'm
anything, huh?
my I was just saying like to make a career out of this 'cause I'm still mad young. Like so I'm just trying to learn and like build. You feel what I'm saying?
So you're gonna have to just go through that experience, man. If you just started trading this prop firms and stuff like that, go through the experience, man. Make sure you kind of hit your head a couple times before anything. I'm not gonna sit
Yeah,
here and be like you're gonna get a payout the moment you get into the express accounts. Just pay
hell yeah.
attention to what you're doing, bro, and keep it slow. Like keep it at a slow pace. There's no rush
Enter
to
small,
try to like
bro.
pass the accounts. There's no rush to trying to get the payout. Like I get it that like you got to do the 5 days and you got to do this and you want to do it now. I completely understand that, but bro, at the end of the day, like you just want to take it nice and slow and simple, you know?
Yeah, I feel that.
So it's like take it one step at a time, bro, one day at a time, bro, and just make sure you get it done, man. At the end of the day, bro, I can't really tell you anything about passing the combines, bro. I pass them in 2 days. So it's
Hmm.
like I can't really tell you anything, man. I'm just used to passing combines. I'm used to like doing the same shit over and over. They make it pretty easy for you to do that on Top Step.
Hell
So just
yeah.
be advised of that, bro. Like to be honest, that's like the main thing that I would tell you.
Nah, I feel that. You got tips for like strategy wise, man.
So strategy, man, it just depends the type of trader you are. That's figuring out what type of trader you want to be. Everyone here kind of trades in a different way, and pretty much a lot of us are pretty successful in however we trade.
Yes.
You know, we all come along and we kind of like say how we trade and how we do that. When what I've noticed is that a lot of us kind of have the same similar strategies with different versions of it. You know.
Yeah, I
So
feel
at the
that.
end of the day, everything falls within the same strategy. When you're doing futures, man, it's kind of like different than trading forex and stuff like that. Because I remember when you're trading forex, you hold trades a little longer for a longer period of time. And futures, you just and especially if you're trading NQ, you're gonna go in for like a couple like 40 points, 20 points, and that's it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, hell yeah.
So that's the reality of it, bro.
Okay, okay. Appreciate you though.
Yes, sir. Hey, Brian just got off out of nowhere.
I think his brother was asking him something.
Like he got off of the Discord and everything.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I heard him talking to his brother. That's about it. Does he work
I hope he
today?
didn't get mad with the whole. I hope he didn't get mad with the other Discord thing.
Yeah. Well, that's what happened with Swerve too, no? Well, Swerve started his
Huh?
own Discord, I think.
Well,
Remember
I mean,
that?
that's not my Discord. I'm just saying, like, there's levels to this.
Yeah. Yeah, Swerve, man. He was a cool guy. Damn.
Yeah, but Swerve got a sense of a couple payouts and opened up a Discord to try to charge people.
Yeah. I wasn't here for that. I was just told, and I was like,
I'm
damn, that's messed up, bro.
I'm showing free stuff. I'm not showing things you gotta go pay for. I don't
Yeah.
even advertise my Discord here.
Let's see what? Oh man, I'm thinking longs, but it's lagging.
Let me see. Let me see if I can get a hold of him.
Damn.
Damn, fool.
Yeah, it's
What even happened?
21.5.
All these fools muted.
Can you hear me?
All these fools muted.
Oh, damn. I was looking for this long, but it's starting to
I
lag.
find it weird that he just got off like that.
Come on. I'm in a long. I'm not. It's not doing that well though. It filled me way too high.
You're in longs, bro?
I am, but it filled me way too high.
Oh shit.
21. Like right now, I'm break even. Thinking about getting out. I'm trying to grab something lower, but
Yeah.
it's moving way too fast. Damn it. I was trying to get in closer to 21.40. 21.240, I mean. Damn, I can't get out. I don't want to take an L on this. Don't let me take an L on this. 5 minute looks good.
What's
15
it
minute
doing
looks
right
good.
now? This is crazy.
Close. 21.279.
X. No.
Come on. All right, I
You
think
think it still has more room to go up in longs right now?
21.280, and then that's where the zone starts. I don't know. Hold on. Just give me one. Oh, there you go. Whew. Let me try to get out of this because it's not looking very well. This can go up to like
Yeah.
21.280. Because there's a zone that starts at 21.280 up to 21.386. So it
Oh
can
shit.
start, it can reject all the way in that zone, which was the same thing that happened earlier in the morning. I was waiting for the break of the
Yeah.
zone instead of a rejection. So once it broke, it was a good time to get in and all that stuff. But
Yeah.
man, I'm trying to get out of this freaking trade. Uh, 31. I don't like it.
See how this goes pretty good.
Come on. Yeah, I don't like this.
Hmm.
15-minute close really good. 5-minute close okay, but it just sucks. Because
I think right now a lot of people are trying to look for the sells.
yeah,
So
it's
I would
just,
probably watch out.
yeah, it filled me up high, man. I'm just trying to get, like, I was trying to get out of it, like, at least even. It just filled me up way too high. I don't even know how the hell that happens. That's why sometimes I don't like doing market purchase. I always do like a limit, especially in the morning when I'm doing the 15-minute order breakout.
Yeah.
And I did a market this time, and dude, it put me up almost 15 points up above the at the moment pricing, bro. I pressed to buy in at 21241, and it bought in at 21250. Come on, just pump a little bit. There's that zone up there though. You know what?
What the fuck is price doing right now? This is ass.
I'm trying to get the hell out. Hold up.
Where's Ryan too?
Ryan's not getting on today,
I have
man.
no idea. Mm-hmm.
Ryan's been doing too well. He's not getting on today. He yesterday he's hit like, I guess for his what's it called, his payout on Top Step, I think it was. He's already hit like the maximum days that he needs to do, so he didn't want to like risk any money on that one, I don't think. And then on what was it? A Forex account, the other Forex prop firm account that he has. He's hit that daily max on that as well, so he doesn't have any accounts to trade right now.
Oh, he has no accounts, but still, he could get on.
Yeah, I know. I told him that too, but he's, I'm just letting you know that's probably why he's not on. He said he didn't, like, he wasn't gonna trade any accounts or whatever. So,
Yeah.
but that's probably why he's still not on or whatever, if he even gonna get on. You know
Order
what?
filled.
I'm getting out of that. Screw that. I think he's gonna keep going, but you know what? I like my trades to, when I get in, I like it for it to go the way that I want it to go instead of that lag. Apex, I'm at $100 per account, and then Top Step, I'm at $100 per
How
account, and
about,
then Apex, I'm up 350.
dude, I have a hard time trading with Apex, bro. Like, you could pass the account so easy, but it's like, I've just heard so much shit about Apex, bro.
I pass him. I
And I
pass him in
haven't
a day.
traded them in like over a year.
Yeah, I pass him in a day, man. It's amazing. But everybody hates that trailing drawdown, and and don't get me wrong, like I don't like that shit either. But you just have to, take your. That's the thing. You see profit, you gotta take it. That's the thing with Apex. Like, you see it, you gotta take it. You cannot take your profit, or else
Yeah.
you're gonna end up being in the negative just because you were up in profit.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I have one Apex funded account, and that's the one. I don't know if I told you the story. I'm pretty sure I have, because I think I've said it so many times in the last 3 weeks. The Apex funded account, I was about $150 from blowing it. And what's it called? It was at 40. It's a $50,000 account, and I got to like 50,500. Like, that was the high of the account, and then it got to about 48,100 or 48,150 before, like, for it to blow. So like $150 away from blowing. And in the last 3 weeks, I've been trading like one micro, just to get it slowly up there. Like, now, the last week, I've been trading like 4 micros on that account, and I have it up to 51.3, I think it is. So I was able to bring that account back from almost blowing, to actually in profit. And like, not for nothing, that's like my biggest accomplishment when it comes into trading, because like, it was not only the mental state. Oh, by the way, I was watching that video you sent. That's actually really good. But yeah,
What about this guy?
yeah, no, the
Yeah.
the mental one, right?
Yeah. The how to
Yeah,
silence the negative voices.
yeah. So like, back in the day, like, if I'm like, if I was like $500 away from blowing the account, I would just be like, oh, screw this, I'm not gonna be able to bring it back, and I just YOLO this shit. Like, I go, like, go in minis, or go in like 5-10 minis or whatever, and then, like, sometimes it will hit. Like, I get in and it just completely goes my way, and I'm like, oh yeah, like, great. I'm a freaking boss ass trader. And then there was times that, whatever, like, it didn't go my way and I completely blew the account. So like, for this time, for me to be literally $150 away, and then like, not go stupid and be like, yeah, screw it, I'm just gonna blow it. Like, like mental wise and stuff like that with his accounts and stuff. Like that's my biggest accomplishment in this trading thing. Cause like, damn, I would have just again, I would have probably gone one mini, even though I only had $150 left in the account.
Yeah, man. I mean, dude, that's the reality of trading, bro. Like, you
It's
know,
like 80% mental,
yeah. And it's a very mental game, and it's like you gotta see what you want to do.
Yeah, I heard a lot from like the big traders and whatnot. I heard a lot where they say, what was it? Oh yeah, that trading does not teach you about like just the trades, but it also teach like it teach you lessons about yourself.
100%. I
Yeah,
believe
man.
that too, bro.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
it's
Trading's gonna break you. Trading's gonna break you and build you back up.
yeah,
Whatever
break
you think you
you.
know of trading,
Yeah, no, hundred
believe
percent,
me.
and it has 100%. It has like, oh my god.
Hmm.
I've been talking with Ryan, and like lately, like he's obviously we know we've seen it, and it's like he's kind of going through it, and I'm trying to like shape his head a little bit now to kind of be in a better mindset. But like I feel like why he's getting off right now, I feel like there's something behind it,
Mm.
you know. So
I
like
don't know.
why it concerns me that he's getting off. It's like, hey, what's up? What's going on?
Yeah.
I heard his brother. I don't know. I heard him. Well, he was there. His brother was in the background before, but then I heard his brother, and then he was talking to him, and then he got off. Thank you, man.
Yeah, but like he's not even on the TikTok or anything like that.
Well, he got off that before he got off the Discord.
Yeah,
Oh,
like
he did?
Yeah. He got off Discord
Oh,
before
I,
he
I
got.
didn't know that.
Sorry,
I didn't
TikTok
know
before
that.
Discord. Ouch.
so there's some days where I just don't even want to like study, like nothing, bro. I don't know what it is.
100%. But
Just
this
off
is
it,
why
bro.
I'm saying.
Bro.
Like we were talking about, like maybe getting like a book club going, where we'll all like say like we're gonna read like 5 chapters per week, and then we meet like online like on the weekend one day or whatever, and we discuss like the chapters that we read. That way we can like pick each other's brains and like see if maybe someone's understanding that part better than the other, and I don't know, it
Yeah.
just probably pushes you to actually read. So we're gonna
Hmm.
post a book that he just bought. He got Trading in the Zone. I have it too, and I haven't even read it yet. But
I have that book. Yeah, I haven't read
yeah,
that shit either, bro.
yeah, perfect. Like I'll put it
It's
there,
a
and
good
then
book.
like
It's a good
ever
book.
sign up.
You're gonna learn a lot. You're
Yeah,
gonna learn a lot from it. So
yeah. But the thing is, though, I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm lazy when it comes to reading. My wife, she reads a 500-page book in like an hour. I can't. I have this book
yeah,
for over a year, and I can't even read it. I haven't even opened the fucking book. So and like I said, like if we take good trades now, like I already know, like if I were actually to read the book, like I'd be like a bit better. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, I gotta go. My wife is waiting for me to go to the gym, so I'll probably be on later, guys.
Alright,
Take it
take
easy.
it
all
easy,
right,
brother.
then.
All right, peace out,
Alright,
guys.
bro.
I think I'm probably gonna get off too right now.
Hey, oh, babe.
You close shit out?
No, I didn't stop recording. Not only that,